Good day guys, good afternoon to all you. This is Herbox Vlog. Dito po tayo sa Almira, Doha, Qatar, Al Mansoura. So andito po yung taga Triskelions of States of Qatar. So may ano po sila, event po ngayon sa Almira, Mansoura. Kasi kahapon may ano tayo, environmental Save Qatar. So ngayon po sila nagano po sila ng plastic bottle recycle. So ito po yung talaga ito, Trillion of Luzon. Ganda ng logo na, Triskelions, Qatar. Ayun po yun ang ano ng Triskelions. May paparating pa po lagay. Plastic bottle recycling. Magandang idea to guys, ng Triskelions. Mga brother natin. Daming bottle, oh. Plastic bottle. Good idea for the Triskelions States of Qatar. Thank you, boss. Ayan po, ipapasok nila yung guys, oh. Ang bote. Ayan ang bote. Mas papasok na lang dyan.
Bali, isang bote, 2 points.
2 points po yung isang
Tapos
bote.
ang 100 points, 1 real. Ayun.
100 points, 1 real.
100 points, 1 real. Bali, 50 pirasong bote. Ano yan, sir? Maliit, malaki.
Ba't malaki?
Maliit, malaki, 2 points na
2
2
points.
points. So, bali, 214 points, 2 real na yan. 2 real.
Dyan may kita po. Ito pala may kita. 1 points. 107 bottles. 108 bottles to 16. By 100 pala. 100 bote. 1 real. 1 points. Dami pa lang paparating guys. Dito po tayo sa Almira, Mansoura.
Parang puno na.
Ito na pala.
Finish yan.
Ito na pala, finished products, oh. Parang tutupi lang pala yan. Ganun.
Tinutupi.
May scan barcode.
Yeah. Register, plug in. Okay, pwede na ulit.
Welcome. Oh, otak na. Batangas chapter po ito sila. Tresquillions Batangas chapter. Batangas. Bayanihan, brotherhood.
By the way, dapat brother sir, he wants to call only by name. Okay. So he's the loyalty manager of Mira. So he's the one helping us to do this during the project, plastic bag recycling project. So it's the second week. Second batch. It's a part of the building.
This one, Cavite. Yeah. Laguna.
Laguna. We'll promote it. Anyway, Raman, loyalty manager.
Managers, Almira managers, Mr. Rapa, thank you so much.
Second wave now, and the seed is growing. And it's impressive, like all of you are coming in efforts. So in Qatar, what we're trying to do based on the Vision 2030 is to have the community, have the environment. Waste plastic will be recycled. For every bottle you get 2 points. So enjoy these points as a reward for helping us in the environment. Each one of you has contributed right now in a positive way to the environment in the land.
Run away.
You know how many I have in my office now?
President of Luzon, State of Qatar, 1-2025-2026, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Rapat Aba
Thank you very much.
for the invaluable support and active participation in the successful conduct of the second wave plastic bottle recycling project, organized by the President of Luzon, State of Qatar, in coordination with Almira. Your dedication and commitment to environment, sustainability, and community service greatly contributed to the success of this meaningful initiative. Given this 27th of February 2026 at Almira Masura, Doha, Qatar.
Thank you very much.
Any stop from electronic section to customer service.
You know what? I have to invite you to my office to see.
President of Luzon, State of Qatar, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is of appreciation is proudly presented to Almira in recognition of your valuable support and coordination with the President of Luzon, State of Qatar, second phase plastic bottle recycling project. Given this 27th of February 2026 at Almira, Doha, Qatar. This one for Almira.
Thank you very much. That's so nice of you. Thank you. Really. There are so many certificates to carry. Oh, yeah.